Hi guys, welcome to my channel, my lovely Cancer. This is your daily reading, Cancer. Let's see what's coming up, guys. I'll be picking few cards from this deck and few more cards from the other deck, guys. Cancer, with these cards, I feel today you're getting some kind of new chance or some change is happening. Something positive, maybe in your work or in your relationship. Something new. You may come into some kind of, your person may come with some kind of announcement, or you may have some kind of announcement for them to make, and you are more working to make this relationship work. Maybe for some of you all, you may be investing, making some financial investments, signing some agreements, or seeing through some what to say, collaboration with the in your business. Maybe you're collaborating with some other company, something like that. And for some of you all, you may be into learning something. You may be attending some kind of workshops, and maybe feeling inspired, and maybe you will be learning some secrets about someone, or someone uh, maybe your person, they may be learning secrets about you. Okay, that is also the energy here. And you're feeling inspired to take up work. You have that uh, ambition to make things work in your professional life and in your personal life. You are committed, and you're working to make this relationship work, take it forward into a long term commitment, Cancers. So that is the energy here. And you may be you may want to spend time with your partner, but you are maybe for some of you all, you're quite busy with your work, so you may not find the time to spend with them, so you miss them a lot for some of you all, or they may miss you because they can't come and spend time with you guys. So that may also be the energy. But you have a good bond, and there is a passion and romance in this relationship, and you want to spend time with them. So this is a very positive relationship you have here, Cancer. It just these cards denote harmony and commitment and intimacy in your relationship, and there is good bonding between you both. So you maybe for some of you all, you may want to take this relationship forward, maybe get engaged. You may be thinking of getting engaged, making plans for that. Okay, that may also be the energy here, guys. Let me pick out 3 cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Okay guys, two more cards. Nine of Wands. So Cancer, with these cards, for some of you all, maybe you're held up in your work. Um, you are having a change, but things may not work out as you had planned. There may be some delays, and because of that, you may not be able to meet your person. They may feel you are avoiding them, but the truth is you may be held up in your work, maybe due to work pressure, or for some of you all you may be into some kind of addictions also, so that may also be the reason. And you are facing what to say, lots of obstacles. You are finding it difficult to meet your person because of your lack of time, you're held up in your work, and but you are um, facing your situation strongly. You are courageous enough, you're facing it strongly, and so with these cards, Cancer, you are maybe held up in some kind of activity, and you may not be doing it with your knowledge, but somehow situation comes up in such a way that you are distancing yourself from your person, and your person feels you are avoiding them, Cancer. So that is the energy here. Maybe you're held up in your work, and maybe you are in some kind of meetings or conferences or party with some other friends, and you are not able to spend time with your person, and they feel uh, alone, and what to say, uh, distanced from you. So this may be your person's energy or your energy, guys. So you need to be very watchful during this time, Cancer. You can try and pay more attention to your partner, to your person, because they are missing you, or maybe this is your person's energy and you are missing them, guys. So that is the energy here, Cancer. Let me pick out three more cards from the other deck, guys. Will give us a clear clarity to our situation. Be content. Withdraw. So Cancer, just like I said before, it's the same energy I'm getting. You are isolating yourself from your person, okay? Maybe due to work or some kind of addiction. So your person is really missing you. So you should be clear about your choice, and be happy for what is there in the present, guys. So you can accept what is there with you now, and recognize the things that are important to you, and you need to if you need your relationship to work, you have to make it work. You have to spend time and your energy to make it work. So that is the energy I'm getting here, Cancer. and you have to feel grateful for all the things we have, your person, your family, friends. So whatever is there, when we do that, we just open our heart to a harmonious living. So once in a way we should um, think within ourselves about the blessings we have in this life, about the people we have in this life. When we do that, we know what is important to us in our life, and we will be more open to love and harmony in our life, guys. So that is the energy here, Cancer. Thanks for watching, Cancer. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye.